Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to send audio files in Instagram. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then open your Instagram and then open your inbox. You can open your inbox by tapping on the message icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. Find the person that you want to send your message to. Tap on that message. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you can see a mic icon. If you press and hold on it, then you can record audio messages, and the moment you release it, your message will be sent. This is one of the way of sending audio messages in Instagram. If you want to send an audio file that is in your device, then that option is not available in Instagram. You can use other sites and then convert that audio file to video file and then send it by tapping on the gallery icon here. You can also send audio links depending on where you have stored your audio. If you have stored your audio in Google Drive or OneDrive or any cloud storage, you can copy the link of the audio from there and then tap on the message here, paste the link and send. As of now, Instagram does not have the feature of sending audio files directly. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.